Hello, and welcome back to Easy English Podcast. Today's topic is something I truly believe. Speaking English is easy if you change how you think about it. Many learners feel nervous, shy, or even scared to speak English. But I'm here to tell you, it doesn't have to be that way. Let me show you why speaking English can actually be easy and fun. Reason 1. You already know more English than you think. You've heard English in movies, songs, YouTube, maybe even in school. That means your brain already understands a lot. Even simple phrases like thank you, what's your name, or I'm hungry. These are the building blocks of fluency. Reason 2. You don't need perfect grammar to speak well. Native speakers make grammar mistakes all the time. Focus on being understood, not on being perfect. For example, it's okay to say, I go market yesterday. People will still understand. You went to the market. And with time, your grammar will improve naturally. Reason 3. You can speak English every day, even alone. Practice by talking to yourself. I'm making tea. It's a beautiful day. I need to finish this work. You can even repeat lines from movies or podcasts, like shadowing. This builds confidence and fluency. Reason 4. You don't need big words to speak well. Fluent English isn't about using fancy words. It's about using the right words. Instead of saying fatigued, just say tired. Instead of purchase, say buy. Keep it simple. Keep it real. Reason 5. Speaking equals practice, not pressure. Think of speaking like learning to ride a bike. You fall, you try again, and one day, you're riding smoothly. Make mistakes, laugh about them, and keep going. The more you speak, the easier it becomes. Final message. Speaking English is easy when you let go of fear, when you practice a little every day, and when you enjoy the process. You don't need to be perfect. Just be proud that you're learning and improving. So remember, English is not hard, it's just new. And you are doing amazing. If you liked this episode, please follow, like, and share the Easy English Podcast. I post new lessons every day to help you speak better English, step by step. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next one. Hi.